What's going on, everybody? Today we are going to be tackling a viewer requested DIY fix. Now, I don't know if you guys are aware, but we have literally tens of viewers, and one of them asked, hey, could you do a video on how to fix a ghost door? Now, if you're asking yourself, what is a ghost door? That's okay, don't worry about it. Not everybody can be as knowledgeable as I am, so I'm gonna go ahead and explain to you what a ghost door is. Now, there's two different types of ghost doors, and there's two different types of fixes for ghost doors. Now, one of the definitions of a ghost door is a door that closes on its own. So you open it, and it just closes on its own. Contractors would probably tell you something with big words like, you know, it's the door's out of plumb or something like that. Like fruit could explain why a door is closing. But you know, one thing to keep in mind is rich snobs pay a lot of money for stuff like this. You know, they've got cabinet doors that close on their own. There's just a lot of different good applications. But if you're not a rich snob who likes stuff that closes on its own, the fix for this can be as easy as 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to look. I've actually prepared over here at this door. The easiest way to do it, again, 1, 2, 3, right? You're just going to remove the problem, okay? So you got a door, just there. That ain't closing, right? Fixed it. Remove the problem. That's like DIY number one. You got a problem, just get rid of it, all right? Now, what I found, rather than a door that just opens and closes on its own because it's out of plumb, what I found is the most common type of a ghost door is a door that's haunted by the soul of an old door that you took off the exterior of your home and you just left it outside to rot, okay? And it's just angry and it's come back to haunt your doors. Now, how do you fix a door like that, all right? I've tried yelling at them. I've tried hitting them. You know, I tried hanging garlic on one once, and really all that did was it just really made me crave Italian. So what I would suggest is just to go with a tried and true crucifix on your door that's haunted by the soul of the door that's rotting in your side yard, okay? Now, 9 times out of 10, this is going to be more than a door can handle. But just in case this is beyond your threshold to stop, let me frame it this way. Often a good DIY door repair hinges less on skill and more on luck. So those are just some words to keep in mind as you're working on your own DIY door repair. And I just wanted to thank the viewer for bringing this up because I think this is really helpful and really handy. Now, maybe you have a DIY project that you're really worried about and you could use some help with. So please hit me up with your questions and maybe I could make a video to help you in your own project. So thanks for watching again, guys. I hope this has been really helpful for you, and we'll see you again soon.